The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about TubeBuddy. So I am going to tell you guys why I love TubeBuddy. So if you guys don't know what TubeBuddy is a tool to help you out with YouTube and stuff like that. So TubeBuddy is a great tool to have if you're a content creator on YouTube. I love TubeBuddy a lot, and I'm glad I have TubeBuddy on my side here to help me out with YouTube and stuff like that. So TubeBuddy is awesome in my opinion, and I am gonna tell you guys why I love TubeBuddy and stuff like that. So TubeBuddy is free to use, of course, but you can get upgrades and stuff like that to get more features and stuff like that. So TubeBuddy is free to use. That's why I'm using the free version of TubeBuddy right now. So yeah, you guys have a lot of features on TubeBuddy. I mean, there's a lot of features on this thing. It's a lot of features, and I love TubeBuddy a lot. And I personally love everything. I love everything about TubeBuddy. I have not used every feature on TubeBuddy yet. I haven't used every feature. I've used some of them. I used the Tag Explorer. That's the one I use a lot. Is Tag Explorer, which is right here. That'll help out with like tags and stuff like that, and it'll suggest tags and stuff like that. I've used the dashboard thing will take you to your account thing for TubeBuddy, I think. And over here is your YouTube stuff. Will take you to your comments, live stream playlist, your videos and stuff like that on YouTube. That is YouTube right here. Your YouTube stuff's right here. TubeBuddy. I've used the video topic one. I've used that a few times on the TubeBuddy app. You guys didn't know TubeBuddy has an app for Android and iOS. It is free to download. I've got the app on my phone, and I also did a review of TubeBuddy Mobile. So if you guys want to go check it out, check out the link below. It's worth checking out if you guys are a content creator on YouTube, and I suggest you guys get TubeBuddy if you're a content creator, because it will help you guys out. It will help you manage your channel, help you with tags and stuff like that, and all that thumbnail generators and all that good stuff. So this TubeBuddy has a lot of features on it, and I haven't even used I've only used a few of the features here. They got a lot of features on here, like I said. I mean, TubeBuddy has a lot of features, man. I like the fact that it gives you know about latest videos and stuff like that. So if like a new feature if a new feature comes to TubeBuddy, they will let you know here on the TubeBuddy page here. So that's pretty cool there. I also like the fact that I have milestones for your YouTube channel. So these are my milestones right now. I have 2,400 subscribers as of October 10th there, and they'll tell you guys the upcoming milestones as well. I do like that a lot. So it lets you show you milestones for your channel. So that's pretty cool. If you guys will see the messages from TubeBuddy there, you'll have like TubeBuddy updates here and stuff like that. So you guys go check out what's going on with TubeBuddy there and stuff like that. So that is nice, guys. I mean, TubeBuddy is just awesome, and I haven't even used a lot of the features yet. They got a lot of features. They got an affiliate program, which if you guys refer people to TubeBuddy, y'all guys can get paid for it, which is pretty cool. I might actually consider doing that someday, which is pretty cool. Like I said, I like TubeBuddy, and I think it's great. In my opinion, I think it's great. And if you guys like TubeBuddy, y'all guys say if you guys want to try TubeBuddy, go for it. It's free to try out, and you guys can have the free version forever if you guys don't want to pay for it, and that's fine. But if you guys want to get more features and more perks and all that, y'all guys can upgrade and get different licenses and stuff like that. They got a pro license, a legend license, I believe it is, and a star license. I think they have 3 different licenses. I think there's 3 of them. I think there's 3 different licenses. I think it's Pro, Star, then Legend, I believe. So yeah, TubeBuddy has a lot of different features for different licenses and stuff like that. So obviously, if you get like the Legend license, you guys will get a lot more stuff. I think the Legend license is the highest one that you can get. So yeah, if you guys wanna try out like the different licenses or whatever, y'all guys can go to the sponsored page or whatever, and you guys can do different tasks to get like free upgrades for like a week or so, sometimes maybe a couple months upgrade for free. So I do like that. So I mean, I love TubeBuddy a lot. I really do. I have nothing bad to say about TubeBuddy. I'm glad I found TubeBuddy. I've been using TubeBuddy since early this year. I've been using it ever since early this year, and it's been great. I like the tag explorer. I like that. I like the fact that you can have tag lists for you can have it saved in your tag list, and you guys can put it in different videos. And also, whatever you guys do on the TubeBuddy thing on desktop will show up on your TubeBuddy app on your phone or whatever. But if you guys use TubeBuddy right now on your desktop, I suggest you guys check out TubeBuddy Mobile. It's worth checking out. It's free to use, of course, but if you guys want to pay at $2.99 a month for TubeBuddy Mobile, y'all guys can do that and get a lot more features with that. So I mean, TubeBuddy is great. TubeBuddy is great. I mean, I have nothing bad to say about it. I mean, I haven't even used a lot of these features. I've used the I've used the tag list, I've used the video topic planner, and I've used the tag explorer thing. I've used that. You know, that stuff up here is for your YouTube channel right here. So whatever thing you click will take you to that particular section. I don't know what best time to publish is. I guess I checked that out. So I guess this will tell you when the best time to publish videos and stuff like that. So TubeBuddy does try to help you out on YouTube. It's a great tool to have if you guys are a content creator. I suggest you guys check them out. That's why I love TubeBuddy a lot. I mean, I haven't even checked out all the features yet. I have not, but this is awesome. They got other features as well. If you guys need help on TubeBuddy, they got community forums, they got tip and trick videos, they got your support sections right down here. So if you guys need help with TubeBuddy, you guys can check down there, or you guys can email TubeBuddy if you guys need any help or anything like that. So I mean, I love TubeBuddy, man. I just do. I have nothing bad to say about them. I personally love TubeBuddy. I personally do. And maybe in the future I might get a license with them, with like their different licenses they have. They have 3 of them, like I said. They have Pro, Star, and Legend licenses. So whatever one you guys choose you'll guys get a specific set of features for the particular license that you guys choose. So yeah, I mean, TubeBuddy is great. It's just great. I mean, I have nothing bad to say about it. It's just great. It's a great tool to have on YouTube. I think this is the best extension for YouTube. It's like one of my favorite. It's like my favorite Chrome extension. Y'all guys can get this TubeBuddy on Chrome, I think Safari, and maybe Chrome OS. Maybe. Yeah, obviously Chrome OS. Y'all guys pack it on there. But I know that you guys can get on Chrome. I think Safari. I don't know what other web browsers support TubeBuddy, so you guys have to check that out. The TubeBuddy extension's right here, guys. It's right here where the TB is TubeBuddy. It's right here. So yeah, I mean, TubeBuddy is great. I mean, if you guys don't want to pay for TubeBuddy, like I said, y'all guys can use it for free forever and use the free features that it offers. Even with the free features, it offers a lot of free features, guys. But if you guys want to get more features and benefits and stuff like that, y'all guys can get a license upgrade, pay for it every month you guys want to. I don't know how much the licenses are, to be honest with you. I don't know how much they are. So yeah, I mean, I like the fact that, you know, they got the tools, so they want to help you out. So I like the tools page. So you guys can check out features of TubeBuddy, new features they got. You know, it's great. I mean, it's great. You know, I know that I am repeating myself here, but it's great. I mean, it's great. So yeah, so if you guys ain't used TubeBuddy on YouTube and you guys are a content creator, I suggest you guys check out TubeBuddy, man. It's worth checking out. They also have a mobile app to check out. It's TubeBuddy Mobile for Android and iOS. And I mean, check out TubeBuddy, man. It's a great tool to have on YouTube, and you will not regret it. I promise you guys that. If you guys use TubeBuddy, let me know if you guys use TubeBuddy. And let me know what you like about it and what you don't like about it. I have nothing bad to say about TubeBuddy personally. I don't. But that's just my opinion. That's just my personal opinion. I mean, this is a great tool to have on YouTube. It's a great tool to have. And if you guys ain't using TubeBuddy right now, you guys don't know what you guys are missing out on. So check out TubeBuddy, man. So yeah, so shout out to TubeBuddy for this great tool for YouTubers like myself, man. It helps us out. And I mean, their mobile app is great as well, so check out their mobile app as well. So that is pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I can see you guys in the next one. Peace out.